बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम स्टूडेंट्स, जैसा कि आपको पता है कि पैराग्राफ राइटिंग इज़ वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन which is included in university examinations. So there should be preparation, very good preparation for paragraph writing and to get good scores in your examination. So first of all, we have to understand that what is meant by paragraph writing. Paragraph is a combination of different sentences, and those sentences should be connected. Those sentences should be interlinked, and they should be connected with the main theme or topic statement of that paragraph. So here we have to discuss a few points, a few essentials of a good paragraph writing. Number one is unity. Unity means that all the sentences which are included in paragraph they should be connected with that topic. Number two is coherence. A writer when write sentences regarding the topic, regarding the given topic, there should be coherence among the sentences. If one sentence has a different idea and the other sentence has different idea, it means that there is no coherence, there is no link, or there is no connection among the sentences. Number three, variety. If you include the sentences in your paragraph of all of same length, then there will not be any kind of beauty. So there should be small sentences as well as long sentences. There should be compound sentences, simple sentences, and complex sentences as well. So there should be diversity or different types, different kinds of sentences must be included in your paragraph writing. Number four is emphasis. That writer should give emphasis on the words, on the topic statement, on different sentences, on the comprehensiveness of the sentences. If there will not be emphasis on the words, on vocabulary, on sentences, on long or short sentences, or on the main idea, main topic of the sentences of that paragraph, then the reader will not improve his or her interest or connection with that paragraph. Number five is length. Good paragraphs, they have 150 to 250 words. If there is the paragraph is too much lengthy, then reader will lose his interest in reading, and it will become an essay. It will not be a paragraph. So for a paragraph, there should be unity, coherence, variety, emphasis, and specific length of that paragraph. And last one is topic. In the starting of paragraph, topic statement can be found. Within one, two, three sentences, we can find the topic statement, our main theme, our main topic, our main idea of a sentence, and reader can may find the main topic of the paragraph, that on what topic the whole paragraph is focusing, or what is the topic of that paragraph, and this is the central idea, this is the main idea of a paragraph. So these are the five main essentials which a writer should include in his paragraph writing. Here, students, I will must advise you that if you have comprehension ability, and if you have good vocabulary, if you have good sentence structure skill, if you have good grammar, then there is no difficulty to read or to comprehend a paragraph, or to understand a paragraph, to find the main topic or main theme or central idea of that paragraph, or to write the answers given at the end of a paragraph, or even to precise that paragraph. So the main thing is the improvement of your thinking power, improvement of your concepts, your vocabulary, and basic grammar. So focus on these things which I've mentioned: your vocabulary, your sentence structure, and the grammar skills. So it will be easy for you to write a paragraph, or to read a paragraph, or to comprehend a paragraph. I hope that you will get benefit from the mentioned or the discussed 5 points, and inshallah you will improve. Thank you very much.